Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Introduce myself. My name is Jasmine Fitania. Student master number 170161910 of the Economic Education Study Program. I respect the chairman of the congregation, the expert tester, and the guidance counselor. On this occasion, I would like to present the results of a report on field work practices at the BPJS Ketenagakerjaan Jakarta Mampang based on a participant section. Next, first, I will introduce you to the company progress. Instance name BPJS Ketenagakerjaan Cabang Jakarta Mampang. Address Jalan Bukit Raya number 24, Kavling 1A. South Jakarta, DKI Jakarta 12790. Type of institution, BUMN, state-owned and services. Website, bpjsketenagakerjaan.go.id. About company, BPJS Employment is the organization body for social security for labor and has a program of providing basic protection to meet the minimum needs of the workforce and their families. It has 5 programs, among them 1. Guarantee of Employment Accident or JKK. JKK protection from the risk of occupational accidents that can be experienced by workers at work, benefits provided in the form of cash and or medical services at the time of a work accident. Benefits such as by participants for health service. According to medical needs, compensation in the form of money, and a program for return to work. 2. Guarantee of Skills or JKM. JKM it is intended for the health of the BPJS participants' employment for the participants who died not as a result of work accidents or occupational diseases. 3. Old Day Guarantee or JHT. JHT, the purpose of this program is to ensure that participants receive cash if they enter retirement, suffer a permanent disability, or die. 4. Retirement Guarantee or JP. JP, some money is paid in lieu of income if participants enter retirement age, suffer a permanent disability, or die. And 5. Job Loss Guarantee or JKP. JKP is given to workers who are disconnected from work. The benefits that participants receive were cash assistance, job information, and job training. Next, feature, realizing a social security of reliable, sustainable, and welfare for all Indonesian workers. Mission, protect self and welfare workers and families. 2. Provide a sense of security, ease, and comfort to increase the productivity and competence of participants. 3. Contribute to the development and economy of the nation and to the good governance of the country. Cultural values, faith, excellence, example, harmony, integrity, care, and precision. Reason why participants internship at BPJS Ketenagakerjaan Cabang Mampang. 1. The company is very open with intern students. During the course of the internship at BPJS, there were 5 other people who were conducting the internship as well. 2. The company already has a lot of experience. Social insurance was established in 1947, which was still transparent, and in 1977, there was a government regulation on the implementation of Social Labor Insurance Program, or ASPEC, which required every employer or private entrepreneur to participate in the ASPEC program. In 1992, it was transformed into a Social Security Liability or JAM Protect, with a program providing basic protection to meet the minimum needs of the workforce and their families. In 2014, PT Jan Sostek became a public law and has been a member of the National Labor Relations Board of BPJS until now. 3. Relating to educational background. Social security is becoming very important today because with social security it will give the labor itself and its family the need to benefit from the unexpected consequence of the risk posed in running their job. BPJS employment is a type of company that engages in social economic protection to the community. This type of work deals with the educational background of economy. Next, implementation of internship. 1. Doing PU or penerima upah documentation card printing. First, selecting PU document printing from the website named Smile. Smile is a website that is useful for participation, registration, administration management, payment of contributions. And click the NPP, then print the card. NPP is company registration number. The NPP itself is the number required by the company to register its employees in the BPJS program and facilitate the monthly premium payment procedure. Next, there is a document download which is the sign of participation and participation card. Yeah. Next. 2. Printing RSJHT documents in Smile. RSJHT is a all-age warranty balance detail. First, copy the NPP that the Smile wants to search for. Next, in the workforce report on the NPP has been set. Next, notification of information written on the website. Yeah. Next. 3. Receive the registration file for the Employment Security Service BPJS participant. Yeah. Receive file certificates and labels data change. Next, recheck in Excel. And then print and test in box. Yeah. Next. 4. Help with the examination of writing candidates for perisai. First, walking writing test, and then search the brochure or the internet and ask the staff BPJS. Perisai is an agency that is responsible for educating, socializing, and providing understanding of BPJS Ketenagakerjaan program to the wider community. Perisai is also expected to increase public awareness of the importance of social security. Next, constraints. 1. Lack of communication with mentors. The lack of communication between mentors and dedicates is because mentors often leave for socialization. 2. A messy workspace. The workspace is messy for it interferes with the concentration and comfort of dedication. On the participant floor, many cardboard boxes were filled up with concept documents from the BPJS Employment Security Registration Office. This interferes with the employee's sight and comfort. 3. Less tables and chairs. A dedicated workbench is a glass table occasionally moved to an empty place. The lack of work facilities that can reduce the productivity of the education itself. And then, how to overcome obstacles. 1. Adapt and always communicate with mentors, both directly and indirectly. Communication is one of the most important things in the world of work. Communication is necessary in order for an activity to be carried out so that its intended purpose will be accomplished. Usually try to always interact, such as asking how to frequently use websites, how to systematically register BPJS, and 2. Take the initiative to speed up. A working environment that motivates employees will encourage employees to work best. In this case, to overcome such obstacles, it is advisable to take the initiative to help clean up the inappropriate or less fragile place, return to the original place, and help employees access file in the office room to be immediately put into the exit room so they don't mess up in the room. And let's use a sheet that an employee who is on leave or recommends an additional place. Office desk and office chair are the main means of doing office work that serve as a sitting area for every job in the daily office. Yeah, no. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.